Hello, everybody. This is another episode of UncleCode Review. We're gonna go to different students, and we're gonna go through their codes and review what they've done, and maybe I have some comments to improve their code. And code review always is important in any software company, especially senior programmers. They look at junior coders and give them comments and hints. It's one way of improving the code quality and learning a lot of new things. Okay, hello, we in Mason. How are you?
Hello.
Hello, it's good to be
Good.
back. Hi, Uncle
Yeah.
Sam.
Perfect, perfect. So let us start from our kid. Arvina, let us know who is our student today.
Okay, our next student is Zaina. She's 8 years old, and
Zaina. Let's see.
yeah,
Hmm.
and she joined Kidocode since
Together.
2019. Yeah,
Rainbow.
how
Look at
cute!
Rainbow on her t-shirt. Nice.
One
Eight
of the
years old.
most talented of
Famous.
her all time.
She's famous already. Am I
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. Very hardworking.
Very
yeah.
hardworking. Nice.
I
Nice.
think
Very good.
this is the second time we're featuring her in the
Yeah.
UncleCode review. So this is gonna be her second work that we're gonna
Ooh.
showcase. Good job,
So,
like.
my dear Zaina, we're gonna show your beautiful code. So I'm gonna run the code, and you're gonna see. Oh, slow motion, a circle, and a blue.
Oh.
I was expecting rainbow color. Well done. It's nice. So Zaina, let me go through your code and figure out what you've done. So again, I'm very happy you choose Tom. This is super nice. That's the name I started Kidocode with it. And then total and left 180 because okay, you want to make it left to go because you want to draw a circle like that. Okay, so you're changing the heading of your total. And then color orange, yes. Begin fill, 100 pixel, and then blue. You change the color blue, and you don't need to do anything with the left because you're in the same position. Perfect. And then another circle 50, and fill. That's very nice. That's very cool. So all good. Your code is small, nice, and
I have a suggestion for this code.
sorry. Go
Uh,
on.
yeah. Make it instead of 180 in the first line, third line, make it 90-degree.
Okay.
All right. This is a very fun thing we do with this code.
Remove. Remove.
Okay. Then copy paste the whole code from line 3 to the end.
Uh-huh. Wait. Okay.
All right. And paste it after that. And instead of 90 now, just put it 180.
180.
80. Can you guess what happens?
And I want to make the speed 0. So if you want to make it faster, you can do this, Zaina,
It
to
will
make
be
it
more creepy if you
0.
don't.
That's so nice. Looks like ooh.
Nice.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
It's nice. I love that combination of yellow, I don't know, orange and that blue. It's a very nice. It's a very good contrast.
True. It's very nice. And now look
Uh,
at the eyes.
exactly.
Funny
Ah,
eyes.
that's
That's
nice.
good.
That's very nice.
Very good. Very good. Interesting.
We can add
Now,
some nose and some smile, or maybe some lips. Oh, that would be
You
like
know, if you have hundreds of them in the dark room,
exactly. Oh my god, I'm gonna have nightmare.
let's try. Let's do something. Um, let's use for loops a little bit. So I will go um, for angle in 90 and 180. Then, so what I do is I'll bring it here. I'll go to AG. So, and then I'll just push this back, and then I remove the code. Let's make sure first it works. Okay, perfect. And then what I'm gonna do that I want to say Tom got pen up, and then Tom go to, let's say, for now, just 300, 300, and then I want to make sure Tom pinned down. So Tom pinned down. Okay, cool. So let's bring random to the code port random, and then here I'm just gonna say random rand int. Give me random numbers from -300 to 300, and same goes to this
There is a
one.
typo on branded.
Okay, randed, and then randed. Something
It should
doesn't
be RAND. It's
randed, yeah. Oh, okay. So what we're gonna do is this. I'll put it here.
Oh my god, that's too creepy. Oh my god.
yeah. The pen down and pen up also.
I don't need to pen, but it's good to have it because then I want to put in the bigger loop and up and pen down. So now, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna make, let's say, 4 count in range, let's say 5. We're gonna just put them
Oh
all
my
in
God.
there. Okay, we have to back to 0 when we do that. Set heading, Sam. Is it set
Yeah,
heading?
set heading.
So I'll make it 0.
Oh.
Now let's play with the size. Where's the size? Circle. Circle.
Yeah,
So
make
we're
the
gonna
circle
say,
smaller.
let's say, that was a good idea, Mesa. So let's
Oh,
say,
Yeah, I think one eye will be bigger than the other one if you do so. Put it in a variable.
100. So then it's gonna go for big I, and then here what we're gonna do is, what's the proportion? Proportion looks like half.
Oh, yeah.
What?
We need to bring this big eye out of the for loop.
Yeah, because for every one of them it's happening.
Yeah.
So what we do is we can do the big I.
Let's see.
Look at
Oh
that.
my God, that was so tiny.
We make it. Why -100? No, it shouldn't be -100. I make it like a 50 to 120.
Yeah.
I think make it smaller. Make it 10 to 10 to 50, 20
exactly.
and 20 to 50. Yeah.
It's became very big.
Yeah, 30 to 80. Yeah.
And also
Yeah.
here, let me make it 400 to get the whole screen.
You have so much fun.
Yeah, nice.
Oh my God.
I have one request. Can we add red eyes? Like, for example, that blue.
Oh my God.
Like
Yes.
red as well.
Some of them red. You need some of them red?
Oh,
Yes, that blue.
white and red.
Okay.
Oh,
Make it white and red.
Okay.
That will be so like
which-
wolves.
I will make some of them red. Some of the
Yeah,
blue
make-
become red.
Yes.
Choice, blue, and red. Oh, I can do that outside of the loop.
That's cool.
So
It's very
what I do is this. A small I color is this. And then here, yeah, you can do a lot of interesting thing with this.
exactly.
Okay, just like that. And that's nice.
Yeah, Zaina, if you
Oh.
watch this, you should
Yeah, look at that.
Right.
Yeah.
make it more you can try and explore and try different ways to make it more creepier.
It's good for all of it.
I do have a question. I forgot something, Mesam. For drawing border, if we're going to draw the border, I have to give two colors, right?
Yeah, true.
The first one is the border color.
I think yes.
Okay, that's better. Because if they come front of each other's, you can see them better.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's very cool. That's very cool. Okay, great. That was nice. That was very nice. Nice piece of code. Ooh, Zaina, that was nice. That was nice.
Yes.
This is the true meaning of inspiring. You write the code and other people's coming and let's move on.
Play with it.
That's exactly how business and products and technology move forward.
Improvisation.
You know what? Keep this code and give it to Zaina. Keep this code and give it to Zaina. Ask her to play around with it. Okay? I keep the code in the computers and then I will share with you guys. You share with Zaina. Zaina, good job. You see, you inspired all of us. Okay? And then this is how idea move forward, how idea evolve. You come up with something, Mason suggests something, Ervino suggests something. So this is actually living in a world that IDs generate IDs and evolve and make a bigger ID. So that's really interesting. So everybody, we're gonna say something with Zaina.
Yeah.
It's very important. I know when my hand's shaking,
part of that.
it's getting ready for something. Zaina, we're gonna tell you that you are programmer.